everyone, myself Archana Goyal from DN Polytechnic Meerut. I'm taking the lecture about the system administration command in Linux. The first command is the chmod command. The chmod stands for the change modes, and it sets the permission or modes of files and directories in the Linux. And in the Linux, it can be done by the two methods, symbolic method, and the second one is the octal notation method. Its syntax is chmod permission file name. Permissions in the symbolic method, we may try user, group and others. Let's say there is a file my name. There is a file my name and we want the user read, write, execute, access, and for the group we want read and execute access, and for the others only we want read access. This RWX, these are the notations for the R for the read and W for the write permission and X for the execute permission. Okay, when we want this for the particular file my name, then we will write chmod like for the particular example. We will use chmod like this. Here the chmod U for the user category and G for the group category and O for the other category. As our example, we want the access of user, read, write, execute access. We want the group member access, read and execute, and we want read access for the others. So we will use chmod like this. This equal to signs is the assign sign. That means we will assigning read, write, execute permissions to the user. We are assigning read and execute permission to the group members, and we are assigning read permission to the others. Okay. Now for the second, this is the symbolic method. Now the next one is the notation, octal notation method. In octal notation method, for the previous example, if we want this, then the chmod will seven five four my file. My file is a file name, and 754 are the octal notations for the permission of the my file. This 7 includes 4 plus 2 plus 1. This 5 includes 4 plus 1, and this 4 includes 4. This 7 means 4 to 1. 4 means read permission, 2 for write permission, and 1 for execute permission. As in our example, we want the permissions read, write, execute for the user, and read, execute for the group members, and read for the others. Now for the octal notation, by the octal notation method, we may use the command like this, $chmod 754 my file. This individual digit 754 are the permissions, and these 754 are the permissions. Okay, and this 7 includes 421. Here, the 4 noted the read permission, 2 noted the write permission, and 1 noted the execute permission. That's why here 7 is there, because we want all the 3 permissions for the user. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. So here we write 7. Now for the group, we only want 2 permissions, read and execute permission. So so we take it as a 5, because we want 2 permissions, and here we want only read permission, so we have put here 4. So this chmod 754 my file is the file permissions for the my file according to our example, and this is done by the octal notation method. That's it.